This is a cheap telephoto lens which is meant to be used with a smartphone. And this is my Nikon 1J1. In a previous video, I 3D printed an adapter for the J1 to use this tiny lens from an 8mm film camera so I could try to capture some cool retro-looking images. This time, I wanted to see if I could adapt a lens meant for a smartphone to work on the J1. The lens attaches to the phone mount with these threads, so I used those to 3D print another very ugly adapter, and I ended up with this beauty. I did zero calculations for the flange distance, so I wasn't sure if I would even be able to focus the lens, but when I tried it, it kinda worked. The results are a bit of a mixed bag. On the one hand, it's cool to see how much reach you get with this lens, but on the other hand, the images aren't particularly good looking. This is often the case with cheap telephoto lenses though. It's fun to play around with them, but they don't tend to be very useful. But still, it was a fun experiment. So, thanks for watching.